Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can sell items all at once in Heartopia to Albert. So I'm just going to talk to Albert here. This is kind of like their new feature on their latest update. If you go to sell items, there is a select full stack button that you can choose. So I'm just going to enable it. For instance, I want to sell all these strawberries. I can just press on it and it's going to sell all of my strawberries. I'm not going to do that though. Um, okay, but you do have to really think about it if you want to sell the full stack. So let's do this with something else that I actually want to sell. I want to sell all these butterflies and it's just going to immediately select everything and I don't have to press one by one to select all, which is pretty neat in my opinion. Finally, they have that feature. So it's just going to sell everything when I select it. And then sell is also going to show you the sale list as well and how much you get. Like, for instance, you sell two of the 3-star butterflies, so you know each is worth 30 coins. And then here's a total. I have the membership, that's why it's like times 1.1. Sell, confirm, and that's it. That is their new feature on the Albert UI thing, sell thing. I don't know. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!